Hi, I'm Scott Francis, editor of Products Finishing Magazine, and I'm here at FABTECH in the Wagner booth, speaking with Derek DeGeest of Lesta USA and DeGeest Corporation, and J.R. Rogers with Wagner. We're talking about automation solutions. Gentlemen, let's dive in. So, from your point of view, JR, what does bringing Lesta into the mix do for what you're doing?
There are a lot of robots out there. They're not all the same. Most of them are processing robots. They're not designed for general industrial finishing, which is what the Lesta robot is. And by bringing it in with us, partnering, is we can now bring a full solution. Somebody says they want an automated system. Well, for other people, it means different things. But if you want a 100% automated system, say on a powder coat, we have fast color change booths. We can really paint, but we still need an operator to do touch-up and manual touch-ups. With the Lesta robot, we can bring you the whole solution. And without having to do the pathing of a normal point-to-point pathing, being able to take a painter and allow them to be the robot programmer is key. It's really helped us, and it's opened up the general industrial market for robotic painting.
What's the training piece of this? When you bring these solutions to a shop, how do you guys get people comfortable with the new solutions and working with people? What kind of programs do you have for that?
No, that's a great question. I think that's one of the keys of what this partnership does. It gives our customers the peace of mind to know that they are supported from all levels, that we have our robot in their test lab. They can do demo application labs with their engineers and their tech group. So their techs, their automation, and their techs are using our robots. They understand how they work together. Our engineers are working together. So we developed core package solutions that are using and optimizing their equipment and technology and our equipment technology, putting that together. We're not meeting on site anymore. The first couple of years, we were meeting and working together on site to make it work. And now we're like, we want to have more. So now we've got our stuff ready, locked in solutions for every one of our customers' different product mixes, and then we brought that into their lab, and their team's getting trained, and they now know how to use it, they know what it's for, and they can support that on a whole nother level.
But it works out very well. The fact that we're providing a turnkey solution and a whole solution. It's not just, well, this is what I got, hopefully it fits. No, what is it you really need, and we'll make sure that you get the right equipment.
And then with that, we're also able to get into HMI, we can change code, we have full access to be able to integrate anything that we need to be able to work for a customer. Because we also use it in our own production environment, we also own a contract job shop, so we are what our customers are. So we know what it takes to make it work, we know how to train them to be able to be successful, and then we know what questions they're going to have, we can answer them, help them remotely, or we can get there and help them immediately. And that's where that application support on the automation and on the technical, on the application side, are being put together to make sure that our customer knows that they're going to have something that works on the first day and they're running production before we leave, and that we know how to continue to support them and to be able to make sure that any obstacles they may come in the future, we're there to be able to ready to help immediately.
And one of the things when it comes to training, we had a customer come in to our lab when we were running industrial wheels for construction and agriculture. And they have 750 different wheels, and they have a certain brand of robot, and that's all they wanted to use. We said, okay, well, we don't have that in our lab, we'll use the Lesta robot. They were shocked in how simple and easy it was to program it. And they said in a day and a half, and that was doing testing of wheels, not just programming, they could have thrown their two best pathing programmers, and it would take them 3 months to do what we did in a day and a half.
Let's talk a little bit about trends in manufacturing and maybe some advantages that you're seeing that your technology offers for things that are happening in the manufacturing world right now.
One of the keys is that we talk about the great resignation, or people are retiring. And so there's, in all manufacturing, wood, metal, anything that you look at, there's a fear of that tribal knowledge retiring and leaving. And none of us are prepared for the rampant speed that it's happening, and that we're able to save that knowledge or be able to pass that on fast enough. And then with the skills gap of trying to get people that want to be interested in manufacturing, it's a real challenge. And what we've seen is that with our customers, it's so cool is that we're empowering those people that you have. So some of these, they're painters that were looking at retiring or leaving because they couldn't do it anymore. now we can get their knowledge, their tribal knowledge, get it into a program because they teach the robot, and now we get to save that knowledge. And then also now they see that, oh, well, now I don't have to crawl around anymore all day long. Maybe I can do this for a little bit longer. So they're getting more years out of their senior group. That's also saving that tribal knowledge. And now the younger generation looks at this and then what used to be not something anyone wanted to do, now it's cool. Now it's like, oh my gosh, that's cool. I can see a career path here. And that's something that I'm interested in now. So it also opens the door to be able to help bring up that next generation, or bring other painters or coders that want to be a part of that next step of automation, where they currently don't have at the company that they have already.
Yeah, absolutely. So trying to first find an employee. Well, once you have them, to keep them engaged. But when they see a robot and it sees, yeah, okay, I need to go spray and I'm going to teach it how to do this, and then I'll step back and watch it do what I taught it. And now my role, we're empowering them to do other things, right? You can do cleanup. You can make sure that everything's ready around it, bring in other tasks. So it really empowers them and makes so the job is much more attractive.
Well, JR, Derek, thank you so much for taking the time to talk with us, and congratulations on your new venture.
Yes, thank you very much.
Thank you.